What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you life. It's like, nah, that was God. Video is specifically for those days when you do not know what to do with your hair. Yes, when you are having the ultimate bad hair day. I know that y'all have been there, because guess what? That's where I'm at right now. Not right now, but right now. So half the time, the reason why you're having this bad hair day, you're probably in a rush. You don't have time to wash your hair, blow dry it, actually style it. You need something quick, but you don't want to go outside looking like a bum. So in this video, I'm going to give you multiple styles that you can pull off with 2 different scarves and a few hats. So your hair in every style that I am going to show you is completely put away. Completely. You don't even have to have your edges out if you don't want to, but if you want to add a little extra pizzazz, you can. So I don't want to ramble on. Let's get right into this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Bad girl Riri. You know?
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and share the video. We all have bad hair days. Let's help each other out. Thank you, love you guys, and see you next time.